Hey there, welcome back to the greenhouse. Today we're going to be planting up this black container, and we've got our potting mix that we're going to add to it. And I'm using the Miracle Growth potting mix. We're going to be adding some plant tone, Leland Cypr2. So we're going to put that in the middle. Shake up the roots. We're going to put that in the middle. Blue Elf Aloe. And I like the buds on these. And they're going to bloom orange. So, and it's going to be in the greenhouse for a little while as well. Take off its, we'll put it right in the front. Scoot this one back just a little bit. I hope you can see me over these big plants. Then we're going to put in these poppies. Now these poppies are Spring Fever Iceland poppies, but they're going to go really good with our aloe plant right here. Spread that over. And next we're going to put in our, these are the yellowish orange primroses. And I planted some primrose seeds, but they haven't started coming up yet. But I did notice that my tulips are starting to come out of the ground. Got another primrose. Put it right here in the back. And I think I'm going to put in a sedum. So I'm going to scoot this one to the back here some. So we can put the sedum right in front of the aloe plant. These are also the lemon ball sedums are also perennials here. I'm going to shake off some of this dirt to make it a little bit shorter, just up to the roots, because I don't want to bother the roots. And we're going to put that in the front so it can cascade over the front of our aloe vera plants. Now we can move this one a little bit closer to the front. Pull off some of the bottom of it. We're moving the primrose around as well to make it all pretty in the front. But there we go. Nice pretty planter to sit outside as soon as it warms up. But here we go. But thank you for joining me today at the greenhouse and potting our planter up. Have a great day.